Welcome back. The trial continues this week for a couple accused of suffocating a girl and then burning her body.
Martha Hernandez and her husband Kenneth are suspected of killing Christy Espinosa. The couple has blamed each other for her death. That tops our news at the bottom of the hour now. Chris Sadeghi joins us live from the Travis County Criminal Justice Complex and the latest. Chris?
Well, throughout this trial, the defense has tried to convince the jury that Martha Hernandez was controlled and also abused by her husband, Kenneth, who was a co-defendant in this murder. But now they have to weigh that against what they heard come out of Martha's own mouth. There were hours of interrogation tapes played during this trial last week, in which Hernandez changed her story several times about what happened, eventually blaming her husband Kenneth for killing Christy Espinosa. But the star witness for the prosecution was Kenneth's sister, who says Martha confessed to the killing in an attempt to fake her own death. Now, in the closing arguments that began this morning, her defense tried to say Kenneth's sister was just trying to help her brother out and spent time discussing what constitutes reasonable doubt. They say in this case there's plenty of reasonable doubt to keep them from convicting. The prosecution, though, says this crime is not about control or abuse, but Martha's role in the murder.
Do not be distracted by all of this domestic violence control argument that is not relevant to this case, ladies and gentlemen. There's no defense to this crime that you are a victim of domestic violence.
And the jury just got the case. They are now deliberating. Stay tuned to KXAN.com. We will have a verdict just as soon as it is handed down. For now, we're live from the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN Austin News.
Chris.